Hey friends, let me show you how I make my brain power smoothie. So to make it, you need 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of blueberry. You'll need 1 ounce of ginger, about that. You'll need half to 1 ounce of turmeric. You'll need 2 to 3 dates, and you'll need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You will also need 2 cups of almond milk. So these are the things that you need to make the smoothie. Once you have all these ingredients, you add the blueberries, the ginger, and the turmeric, and then the 2 cups of almond milk. You add all these to your blender. And once you have that, you blend these ingredients and with the almond milk for a little bit. Then you would add the spinach and the dates. You blend some more. And lastly, you need to add the chia seeds. And for that, you add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Yeah. And you wait a little bit until the smoothie is ready to be served. And you have this wonderful smoothie. It's really good for your brain. You can drink and drink it all over again. And I prefer it in the morning. You could also have it midday. Thank you, friends. To your health.